Faris Elando Maharaja, and my student ID or my name is 1925178. Today I will present about my project. It's a computer and hardware. Let's get started. First, what is a computer? It is an electronic device for processing data. It takes input from us, process it, and give us the output or result. Next, functions of computer. Computer are used for studying, communication online, watching videos, playing games, and helping people work in office or business. Next slide. Input device. They have keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Input devices are used to enter data into a computer. For example, a keyboard is used for typing and a mouse is for controlling the cursor. Next slide. Process. They have CPU, data processing, system control. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It is process instruction and controls all computer activation. Next, output device. They have monitor, printer, and speaker. Output device show the result of the computer. A monitor display image, a printer prints document, and speaker produce sound. Next slide. Storage device. They have hard disk, SSD, and flash drive. Storage devices are used to save data and program. They allow users to store files for future use. Next, use of a computer. They have school, office, hospital, and home. Computers are used in many places, such as school for learning, office for work, hospital for patient data, and homes for entertainment. Next, introduction to hardware. Next is hardware. Hardware refers to for physical part of computer. Basically, anything you can physically touch, it is divided into internal and external hardware. And then we have internal hardware or the brain. Inside the computer, we have the CPU, which is the brain process everything. It is connected to the motherboard, and we use RAM as a temporary memory to make it run fast. Next slide. CPU and RAM. CPU, they have brain of computer, process instruction. And RAM they have temporary memory, fast access. The CPU or process handle instruction and control a computer activity. It is the one of the most important component. RAM stores temporary data while programs are running. More RAM helps the computer run faster and smoother. Next, we have internal hardware, storage, and power. For saving file permanently, we use an SSD or hard drive to run all these components. The power supply unit or PSU distributes electricity to the whole system. Next, external hardware, peripherals. Lastly, external hardware, we use input device like a keyboard and mouse to give command, and output device like a monitor or a printer to see the result. Next slide. Importance of hardware. They help support computer system, work with software, and improve performance. Hardware is important because the computer activity depend on hardware. Components working together with software. Last slide. Conclusion. In conclusion, hardware is the body of the computer. Without it, the system cannot work. Well, this is all for me. Thank you for your time and your attention. Goodbye.